How to change Wi-Fi in Google Nest Mini. Now, if your Nest Mini is connected to a certain Wi-Fi network, but you would like to change that Wi-Fi network to something else, now it's rather quite simple because maybe you're shifting locations and you're in your friend's place and that's why you want to connect a new Wi-Fi. For that, we will just launch the Google Home app. Now, normally you might have already connected your Wi-Fi, so we just want to change it. From the Google Home app, go to devices, and this is, by the way, after making sure you've already paired your Google Nest Mini to your Google Home app. Then from here, you can simply go to your device and then just tap this gear icon from the top right, which is a settings icon, which will take us to this page. Over here, you can see the option device information. Just tap on it, and under device information, you can see the current Wi-Fi that we've connected. So we want to try to forget this Wi-Fi and reconnect to a new one. So tap on it, then tap the forget network button, then go ahead and go to that setting again, and this time connect to another network information, and just like that you have successfully changed your Wi-Fi. So this way you'll be able to change Wi-Fi, and I hope the video helped you out. And if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.